Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will introduce a very useful tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional, which helps you manage your hard drive easily. So let's start. First of all, what is AOMEI Partition Assistant? AOMEI Partition Assistant is a powerful disk and partition management software for Windows. It helps you create, resize, delete, merge, and move partitions without losing your data. You can also convert disks, clone drives, migrate Windows to SSD, and fix disk errors. It is made for both beginners and professionals who want full control over their storage. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional. Resize and move partitions without data loss. Merge or split partitions easily. Disk clone and partition clone convert MBR and GPT without formatting. Migrate Windows from HDD to SSD. Create bootable media for recovery. SSD alignment for faster speed. Check and fix. Disk errors. Secure erase. SSD for privacy protection. All these tools help you keep your computer running fast and smooth. So, who can benefit most from it? AOMEI Partition Assistant is helpful for home users with slow or full storage office and business laptops, IT technicians, people upgrading from HDD to SSD, anyone who wants better control over disk space. Now, one of the most common questions is AOMEI Partition Assistant safe to use? Yes, AOMEI Partition Assistant is safe to use. It is developed by AOMEI, a trusted company known for backup and disk tools. The software is used by IT experts and normal users worldwide. It does not harm your data and offers safe operations for your drive. Now, how to use AOMEI Partition Assistant? Using AOMEI Partition Assistant is very simple. Just follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open the program and choose the disk or partition you want to manage. Select the action like resize, clone, merge, or migrate. Adjust the settings using the simple interface. Click Apply to start the process. Wait for the tool to complete. It works safely without data loss. That's all. You can manage your disk like a professional. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best .ordersoftwarekeys.com here. You can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete guide to AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.